Today's video I'll be showing how to easily make akamu. Welcome back again to my channel. Let's get into today's video. So I'm going to place my water on fire to boil. Then I go ahead to mix my raw ugi. Ugi can also be called akamu or pap. So I'm going to add a little bit of water and mix this together with the water. I make sure to mix well and also make sure there are no lumps in the mixture. Now my water is boiling. Make sure the water is really boiling. Check it and make sure your water is bringing out bubbles like this. So now it's time to make our ugi. So I'm going to hold my water with my left hand and hold my spoon with my right hand. Then I pour in the water and mix gently. After mixing for a while, I remove my spoon and add in more water. After adding the water, I now mix together well. I mix it together well. You can see our ugi is ready. Very simple as ABC. It's very easy, no lumps, very smooth, thick, and looks yummy. If you're having difficulties in making your ugi, you can try this recipe and let me know how it goes. Ugi can be served with any fruit of your choice. You can also serve it with milk. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, and don't forget to drop a comment. See you in my next video. Bye.